Let's create our main loop for category number in range, and this will be 1 to 6. Uh, this will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those will be the keys to this category dictionary, and they will give us the category names. Okay, now I will select the category, but I will do it in a while true loop. I will explain why in a moment, and I will also use try and except here. I will try to select the category, and I will pass here the dictionary with the number of category number. Okay, and I will break from this if it did it successfully, except if there is an error, it will pass. So this loop will go on until we successfully select the category. What is going to be here is in here is this. We will, for example, for the first loop, uh, the category number will be 1 and it will pass in here in the dictionary. So it will go here and it will give us this text. So since we are in the select category function, this category name will be equal to this, and we are going to pass this text in here and so in here. So it will find the category button according to this. So we will select the category according to the range items in our loop. Let's go to the web page and see what we did until now. By just calling the select categories function, we got into this page and then we selected a category and we got the results of it. Now we are in here in our loop. Now we need to get the number of pages for this category. Okay, let's go to the code. We already have the function for this and call it pages is equal to get page count. This will return the number of pages on this page. Let's create a loop to get to every page. For page in range pages. So this will be a number. And also I will create a loop in here for underline in range page. And this will be to click the next button if necessary. Actually, it will be necessary except the first page. Okay. Now what are we doing here is that at the end of this for loop, every time we are going to select the category one more time because of the dynamic structure of the page. Uh, and then, uh, for example, for the first time, this page value will be 0, and this also will be 0, and we will not go into this loop, so it will not click the next button. But for example, if the fifth page, this number will be 4, so this is going to be 4. It will not take 4 and it will start from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, it will click the button 4 times and it will get us to the fifth page. Okay, let's change it to page again and create this loop by finding the next button. Actually, we have already find it here. So our next button will be equal to driver dot find element by xpath, and I will click this. I will take this. Okay, we got the li tag, but this is not the button. Let's look at it one more time. I will go in here and inspect this. Okay, we get this, and if we write slash button, we will go to this clickable button. I will do it like this because we are using an expert selector here. Okay, what is wrong? Why we are getting this? We are not at this bit. Okay. Now I'm going to write actions in here and move to element again as we did in the beginning of the video. Next, I will write next button and perform. Now I will click the next button. Let's get the candidate list by using our getList function. Candidates links will be equal to getList, and I will pass the category number in here, which is coming from our main loop for every category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this function will be called, and it will return the list of the candidates that we have appended the URLs from the HTML code. Okay, now let's create our final loop, the innermost loop for link in candidate links. And let's go to the page and open one candidate's personal page. I will zoom in a little. And from here, we are going to take the candidate's name, the phone number, the email, and the web page if there are in here. And also, we are going to take the social media accounts of them. I will just take Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, but they are not in here for every candidate. Let's look at another one. This also has three of them. Okay, this doesn't have a Twitter account, it has YouTube. So I'm going to take just Facebook and Instagram from here. Okay, let's go to the code again. And I will first call the driver dot get method, and I will paste the link in here. So now we are in the candidates page. From this page, I will first take the name of the candidate. Name will be equal to driver dot find element, and let's see what we need to use in here. Let's select the candidate name and inspect it. Okay, we are going to take this div, select this div by using this data attribute, and we are going to take the text inside of it. That is the name. Let's copy this and go to our code. I'll use CSS Selector. Div is the tag name, and data that attribute will be equal to this one, which I copied, and we will get the text inside of it. Okay, now I'm going to append this name to here, to this empty list for the categories, for the different categories. Let's come in here, category, dictionaries, and the index will be category number -1 because the indexing will start from 0, and the name will be name, and I will append name in here. Okay, we are going to do the same thing with the other uh, elements. Let's find the phone number. I will right click and inspect this. The structure is the same. We are going to, this time it says span, but the data that attribute will be used to get the phone number. Let's copy this, and phone will be equal to driver.find element by CSS Selector. And it will be a span. Data that attribute will be equal to this, and get the text from it. Okay, now as we did above, category number -1, name will be phone, append phone. This phone is this, and this phone is the key in this dictionary. Okay, let's get to the web page. Take the web page attribute is in here, and if the information is not here, it says there will be a text like this. We will take this text anyway, so we will know that there is no information. Okay, let's inspect this. The data that is in here also, but if we look at this email address, the data that attribute is the same. I don't know why, but it is the same in those email address and the web page. So we cannot use this attribute. We are going to find some other way to get to those texts. Okay, we will use CSS Selector, not CSS Selector, XPath for those. Let's look at this one more time. Now we are going to select this element here by using this text, because this is the same for all the pages, all the candidates pages. And then we are going to go to its following sibling, which is this div, and we will go to this span by using xpath. Let's go to the code and do this. But first, let me copy this. There is a blank line after this, so we need to be careful here. In those situations, the copying and pasting is better than writing it yourself. Okay, let's write website will be equal to driver.find element by xpath. Now let's write this is a div, like div which has the text equal to this one I copied. Now we are in here. We are going to go to the following sibling, and then in here I will just write following sibling. Then it will be the div, the next div, and then we are going to go to the span in this div. Then we will get the text. Now we will do the same thing. Category number -1. This will be website. The append website. Now let's copy this and paste it in here. It will be very similar with the other one, because this structure is the same. We will go to this div first. Correo electronico pubblico. Let's copy this, and then its next sibling, following sibling, and the span inside of it. Okay, I will paste it in here. Now these rows will be the same. I will change this to email and paste it in here and also here. Okay, we are done. Now we are going to take the social media accounts of the candidates. Let's inspect this Facebook element in here. Okay, we are going to reach this element by using this area label with the name of Facebook. Then we are going to go to its parent element, which is an a tag, and we will get the attribute of href, which is this link. We will do the same thing for Instagram and also Twitter. We are not going to take YouTube. Let's check for the Instagram in here. The structure is the same, so we are going to same thing with this. And let's find a candidate with a Twitter account, and she has one. I will inspect this, and this structure is also the same with Twitter. But we are going to do something different in for those social media accounts and those name, phone, website, and email. Because if those items were not if those items are not in this page, uh, we get something anyways. We get no information text, so Selenium will not crash. But if we try to find something with Selenium and it cannot find anything in this for this element, it will throw an error and our program will crash. To uh, prevent this, we are going to use try and catch blocks for the email for the social media accounts, because if the Facebook element is not in here, it will not find anything. So we will face an error. Okay, let's start with Facebook. Try Facebook will be equal to driver dot find element. Since we are going to go to the parent of the element, I will use xpath in here, xpath, and let's check it one more time. We will select span tag with the area label Facebook, span area label is equal to Facebook, and now we get the span tag. Uh, we need to go to its parent. I'll just write parent, and the parent will be an a tag. So I will write a here. Now we get the a tag. We just need to get the attribute of href from this href. Okay, we get the uh, link to the social media account, Facebook account. Let's append this to our dictionary, category dictionary, category number -1, and it was Facebook. But append Facebook we get from here. Okay, let's write the except here. If we cannot find Facebook, I will just copy and paste this, and we will append in here a string no info. Okay, I will copy and paste one more time for those, because we will do the same thing for the other social media accounts. This will be Twitter, and this will be Twitter. Okay, and finally for Instagram. Now we get all of them.